In fact, Americans today file fewer suits per capita than did their colonial counterparts. For example, in 1639, the litigation rate in Accomack County, Virginia, was 240 per 100,000. That's more than 4 times higher than any county in the United States today. And in 1683, 1 of every 10 adult male citizens in Salem County, Massachusetts, was involved in a lawsuit. Even today, recent surveys indicate that the filing of lawsuits is increasing at a smaller proportion than the population is increasing. As for the alleged explosion of big-dollar jury awards, in a report to Congress, the General Accounting Office had this to say about product liability suits. GAO found that damage awards were not erratic or excessive. Also, consider this comprehensive study of punitive damage awards in product liability cases over the past 25 years. Researchers found that only 355 punitive damage verdicts were returned by state and federal court juries between 1975 and 1990, an astonishingly low number. 1/4 of those awards involved a single product, asbestos. In an independent study on medical malpractice claims, Harvard College researchers stated, "We estimated that 8 times as many patients suffered from an injury from negligence as filed a malpractice claim. About 16 times as many patients suffered an injury from negligence as received compensation." Minnesota Commerce Department Commissioner Michael Hatch also studied medical malpractice claims. His report says, "It is obvious that insurers are charging considerably higher rates than are necessary to cover losses and expenses and also realize a healthy profit. Fewer than 1/2 of 1% of all malpractice victims are awarded damages by a jury." The rising cost of health care has become one of the most important issues of our time. Americans are spending $650 billion each year for health care. Some project that cost will exceed $1 trillion by the year 2000. Despite what some people believe, only a very small percentage of America's total health care cost is related to litigation and the use of our legal